Okay, now, dear children, I am going to explain next paragraph of the same chapter, weavers and smelters and factory owners. Okay. So, dear children, in this paragraph, you will understand Indian textile and the world market. How developed world market by the help of Indian textile technology. So, children, नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. इस पैराग्राफ में हम भारतीय सूत उद्योग तथा विश्व मार्केट के विषय में समझेंगे और मैं चाहूँगा कि आप लोग इस वीडियो को ध्यानपूर्वक देखें और सुनें. लेट अस फर्स्ट लुक एट टेक्सटाइल प्रोडक्शन. पहला जो है टेक्सटाइल प्रोडक्शन जो था हमारे भारत, बिकॉज इन दोज डेज इंडिया had the great production of the cotton, because in India a special type of cotton produced in the southern India like Gujarat, Calicut and Surat, Rajasthan, and the different type of areas they had the different special type of soil, that is black soil. And you know that the black soil is a very important for producing of the cottons, right? So those days India was famous in the world for the production of the cotton. Around 1750, before the British conquered Bengal, India was by far the world's largest producer of the cotton textile, and Indian textile had long been renowned both for their fine quality of the exquisite and craftsmanship. They were extensively traded in the Southeast Asia like Java, Sumatra and Penang and West Central Asia from the 16th century. Europeans trading companies began to buy Indian textile for the sale in the Europe. Memories of the flourishing trade and craftsmanship of the Indian weavers is the preserved in many words still the current in the English and other languages. It is interesting to trace the origin of the such words that what they tell us. Dear children, you know that when East India Company spread their political system in our country by the way of the trading system, when East India Company came and entered in our country only for way of the trading purpose. By the way of trading system, and slowly the Britishers, they started to interest in the political system in our country. So there was many of the Jamidars and some Samantas, kings or rulers, Indian rulers, they also liked the Britishers very much. Those days Britishers gave to some type of greediness and special gifts they gave paid to the Jamidars and Indian rulers, kings. When they saw this, that India good producer of the cotton, when they gave the focus on this production, they thought that it is very important and fine cotton, so it is so great and I can spin the good quality thread and I can win the clothes in a high qualities in our England as well as Britain. After then, we will come back again with a great production of the clothes, cotton clothes, and we will sell here that clothes in high price. This thought came in the mind of this Britishers, and they started. So that is why they established a number of companies, cotton textile companies. They established in India. Number first company they established in the Surat as well as in Mumbai. Next point, word tells us histories. Some words tells us about the history of Britishers and Europeans. European traders first encountered fine cotton clothes from India. They carried by the Arab merchants in Mosul in present day Iraq. European first not is possible that European they developed their trading system in India. They developed